Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can activate battery saver mode on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the battery and device care setting. It's over here, then you have to tap on it. Then you can tap on the battery option, this one. And if you want to activate your battery saver mode on Android, you can simply tap on the power saving mode option. Tap on this toggle button, then the battery saver mode on your Android will be activated. Okay, and you have to wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and the screen will look like this after you activate the battery saver mode, because your Android is trying to limit your battery usage. So when you activate the battery saver mode, you can only access some application on your Android phone. You can only access a phone, messages, internet, and also settings application. And if you want to add more application you would like to use on the battery saver mode, you can tap on this plus button. Then you can select the certain application you would like to use in battery saver mode. For example, I'm going to add the clock application. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate battery saver mode on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.